Hello everyone, and welcome to my lecture on the Pygmalion effect. The Pygmalion effect is a psychological phenomenon in which high expectations lead to improved performance in a given area, and low expectations lead to worse. The name comes from the story of Pygmalion, a mythical Greek sculptor who fell in love with a statue he had carved. The statue, Galatea, came to life, and the two were married. The Pygmalion effect in English literature. The Pygmalion effect has been explored in many works of English literature. One of the most famous examples is George Bernard Shaw's play Pygmalion, which was later adapted into the musical My Fair Lady. In the play, Shaw tells the story of Henry Higgins, a phonetics professor who takes a bet that he can turn a Cockney flower girl named Eliza Doolittle into a lady. Higgins's high expectations of Eliza lead her to perform beyond her own expectations, and she eventually becomes a successful actress. Another example of the Pygmalion effect in English literature is Charlotte Bronte's novel Jane Eyre. In the novel, Jane is a poor orphan who is raised in an abusive household. However, her teacher, Miss Temple, has high expectations of Jane, and Jane eventually becomes a successful governess and eventually marries the wealthy Mr. Rochester. The Pygmalion effect in real life. The Pygmalion effect has also been studied in real life. In one study, researchers gave teachers false information about the academic potential of their students. The teachers who were told that their students were high achievers gave their students more attention and encouragement. And the students actually performed better than the students who were not given any special treatment. Conclusion. The Pygmalion effect is a powerful phenomenon that can have a significant impact on our performance. When we are expected to succeed, we are more likely to do so. However, when we are expected to fail, we are more likely to do so as well. This is why it is so important for us to have positive role models and mentors who believe in us. Their high expectations of us can help us to achieve our full potential.